Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your LG TV model and WebOS version because menus differ slightly. This ensures you follow the right path. Next, have your remote and any paired Bluetooth or sound share device at hand so you can remove connections immediately. Using the remote, go to Settings, choose Sound, then Sound Share or Bluetooth device list. You need to access the device list now so you can identify which connection to remove. Once done, pause here before proceeding. You now select the paired device under Sound Share or Bluetooth. This shows active profiles. Choose the option labeled Forget, Disconnect, or Delete. LG uses different terms because that severs the pairing and stops audio routing to external speakers. Make sure to confirm the action when prompted. Otherwise, the device stays paired. Once removed, check the TV's sound output setting and set it back to TV speaker or optical if it changed. So audio returns to the internal speakers. Finish by restarting the TV to ensure settings apply and cache is clear. A power cycle often resolves residual routing. After reboot, verify sound output reads TV speaker or your desired source and repair devices later only if needed. If sound still goes to a phantom device, reset sound settings, or perform a quick factory sound reset because sometimes profiles persist. As a troubleshooting tip, if disconnections fail, remove the device from the external speaker itself, and then
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.